Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video today I'm going to be showing you how to calculate your percentage before you take any trade right on your trading capital. You've learned how to place a buy and sell order using future derivatives trade signal. So right now you'll be learning how to calculate your percentage on your trading capital before you take any trade right. But before we continue, I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on that notification button so you get notified each time we post an important video like this. Now, your question should be, how much could you use on every trade? Right? That should be your question, and your answer should be, in order to survive in the financial market as a new trader, we recommend you use 1 to 2% of your total trading capital. For example, if you have $100 as your trading capital, to calculate 1% of $100, 1% of $100 equals to 1 divided by 100 times $100 equals to 1 USDT. So far, for a trading capital of $100, use 1 USDT per trade. So if you're having $100 as your trading capital, we recommend you as a new beginner trader to always use 1%, which is 1 USDT per trade. Also, if you have $500 as your total trading capital, to calculate 1% of $500, 1% of $500 equals to $100 times 500 equals to 5 USDT. So far, for a trading capital of $500, use 5 USDT per trade. So if you're having $500 as your trading capital, as a new beginner trader who wants to make consistently profits from the market and also survive and grow in the financial market, we always recommend you abide by using 1% to 2% of your trading capital. So for example, if your trading capital is $100, we recommend you use $1. If you want to take any trade, we always recommend you use $1 per trade. And also, if you're having $500 as your total trading capital, we recommend you as a new beginner trader who wants to succeed in the financial market to always use 1%, which is 5 USDT per trade. And maybe if you decide to use 2% of $100, to calculate 2% of $100, 2% of $100, 2 divided by 1 times 100 equals to 2. So far, for a trading capital of $100, use 2 USDT per trade. So if you're having $100 on your account and maybe you decide to use 2% of your capital, we always recommend you use just $2 per trade, because every trade is unique. Every trade you take is the same. No matter how confident you feel about the trade, always stick to using 1 to 2% of your capital as a new beginner trader. If you can abide by these rules, then you are 1% away of being successful in the financial market. Alright, also, if you decide to use 2% of your trading capital on your $500 trading account, to calculate 2% of $500, 2% of $500 equals to 2 divided by 100 times 500 equals to 10 USDT. So far, for a trading capital of $500, use $10 per trade, 10 USDT per trade. Now, if you also abide by this rule as a new beginner trader, this will help you predetermine your risks and also manage your psychology. Because if you're having a total trading capital of $500 and you are using 50%, 50% of $500. Now if you place any trade and that trade goes against you, because remember, no trade is better than another. Every trade is unique, so you must treat them as the same, no matter how confident and how confident you are on that trade. Always use 1% to 2% of your trading capital. So now once you have done your calculations, then you come over here, right here, because you know how to place your limit order. You come over here, you tap right here, you change it to USDT, because we are now using USDT as our trading capital, right? So you tap on USDT. Right now on this trade, once you've done your calculation, now you want to be using on your $100 account, you want to be using 1% or 2% per trade. Then you type in $1, which is 1% of your capital, or you type in $2, right? So never fail to abide by this, because this will help you survive as a new trader. So now once you know your 1% or 2%, always abide by that, no matter how confident you feel about the trade, because every trade is unique, so you must treat them the same on every single trade. Alright, this is where we end this video. If you like this video, do well to subscribe and also turn on that notification button so you get notified each time we post an important videos like this. See you in the next video.